Hey everyone, welcome to ELA B30 for the 22-23 school year. When you open your course, this is what you should see. There's a little bit of information there about me and my contact information. And then Teams over here on the right of the course page is how we will conference. You just set up a time with me and then click this and it'll bring you to my Teams room. I don't have too much going on for the first 2 days here. It's just kind of an orientation, looking at some information and figuring out how to navigate the class and introducing yourself. So the first few things I want you to go through are to check out the digital school link here and review the handbook. Check out the calendar. If you need any Moodle information, student tutorials, they're under the high school tab. I just have to pop a couple pages into this folder here, but there will be a copy of the outcomes of the B30 course, the things that the ministry says you have to complete, as well as the themes of the course, which guide my choices for the literary texts that I choose and the ones that I recommend. Okay, this one here, go through, it's about getting stuff from the library, which will come in handy. Mrs. Tillman still asks that you let me know what resources you require, but if you are in Yorkton, it might just be faster to do it this way. I'd like you to create a Google folder for this class, so it's like a digital binder. This video will explain how to do that if you need to know how. It is my video for the A30 course, so when I say A30, just substitute B30. And then this video that I'm making right now, I'm going to pop in right here, okay? And it's just to get you through the first couple of days. I'm going to spend some time on the weekend revamping this course. I think it's been 2 years since I taught this one, though I do teach it face-to-face every year. So I just gotta fix up due dates and some assessment pieces and just check that everything is the way it is. So on Thursday and Friday, I'd like you to get into this part here, the who are you, and click on it. This one, the first one is a Google form. So you just click on the link and follow the instructions there. You don't actually have to hand anything on Moodle. You type in the online text that says and say that you're done. If you're not sure where that is, let me know. Your answers will come to me through the Google form. And then this second part here gives you a little bit more creative license. Let me know what you're good at, photography, presentations, writing. You get to choose how you introduce yourself for this one. So that should keep you occupied for the first couple of days. If you need something else to get into, start looking at novel study options. I'm going to start you off with the fiction novel study. So I've made some recommendations here on this slide, but like I state, if you have suggestion of another title, send me a message and I will consider it. Okay. The rest of the course I have hidden right now because, like I said, I'm going to do some work on it this weekend and I will release a module or two as I get done. Okay, if you have any questions about the course, let me know. Also, just an afterthought here, if you are in my A30 course or second semester, you're taking the A30 course or whatnot, you don't have to do this. This module here is in both courses. You don't have to do it twice, okay?